Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I'm going to show you how I get rid of facial hair. To be specific, I'll be working on my chin area and on my upper lip area. So without wasting time, let's just get started. So to start, I'll need to melt my wax. I'm using the hard wax because it's very gentle on the skin, and since the face is very sensitive, I prefer to use the hard wax on my face. So I'll just go ahead and melt it up. So as you can see, it's been melted and it's ready to be used. As you can see over here, I've got some hairs on my chin area and I need to get rid of them. So what I do first is to come in with a warm towel or handkerchief. This helps reduce the pain because it opens up the pores and it makes, uprooting of the hair easier. I'll just dab the warm fabric on my face for about 30 seconds. Then I will come in with a disinfectant. When you buy your wax, it comes with this. So when you're buying your wax, make sure you get the whole set. This is to prep the skin and prevent ingrown hairs. Okay, so now I will get some of the wax, and as you can see, it has thickened up more. So I'll just put it on my chin area. So I'll just leave it on for about 10 seconds and it will just kind of harden up a little bit. So I'll just start from my neck area and I'll use my nails to kind of peel it off a little bit so that I can get a good hold of the wax. And I'll peel it off gently. As you can see, I am stretching out my skin whilst I'm doing this. This helps reduce the pain. And as you can see, we got some hairs over here. It's quite a lot though. You can see I have some, other hairs I need to get rid of. So I'll do it in the opposite direction this time. I'll come in with the wax again for the second time. And this time I'm stripping it off from the opposite direction. And as you can see, we got some few more hairs over here. I'll come in with my tweezers and just uproot the 2-3 hairs that I missed. Now it's time to work on the upper lip area. I must say this area is one of the most sensitive parts of our skin, and I must say is the most painful part to wax. So I would like to come in with some talcum powder. This actually helps reduce the pain. It's not going to prevent it though, but is going to reduce it. So I'll get my wax and I would like to put it on my upper lip area. I like to do it from the center downwards. Now it's time to strip it off, and I must say, even though I put the talcum powder there and I'm using a hard wax, it still hurts a little bit. I always cry after removing hair on my upper lip. So yeah, as you can see, this is what we have here. I didn't have much hair over there, but at least I've got some few strands here. So afterwards, I will come in with a warm towel to just clean up the place. And I will clean it up with my after wax liquid. Finally, I will come in with a natural oil or butter. Here I'm using the cocoa butter. And yes, we all done. So basically this is how I get rid of my facial hair. I hope I did help you and you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. Let me know, do you prefer waxing or you prefer other methods? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.